It was a big day for Quebec here at the Supreme Court of Canada as arguments began in the legal challenge of the province's secularism law, Bill 21.
Today we're here to talk about what is arguably the most consequential court case of our generation.
Bill 21 prevents some civil servants, including teachers, from wearing religious symbols at work. 4 days are set aside for these hearings, and today the court heard from several groups challenging the law, who say it violates basic rights.
What was originally presented by Quebec as being benign over the last 7 years has resulted in clear and well-documented discrimination. Bill 21 does not advance neutrality. It targets people of faith.
A lot of the legal debate centers around the constitutional notwithstanding clause, which allows provinces to override charter rights. Traditionally, provinces have invoked the clause after court challenges, but Quebec did something different with Bill 21. It invoked the clause right from the start when the law was drafted to try to prevent court challenges. And opponents say the notwithstanding clause was never meant to be used that way.
If politicians are given a blank check to disregard our charter rights, it will fundamentally change the relationship we as Canadians have with our own government. If we don't deal with this, just like Muslim Quebecers, more Canadians will soon be watching over their shoulder to see which new law is coming to take away their charter rights.
These groups argue the CAQ government is using secularism to score political points, and they're hoping the court will step in.
Politicians will always fall into the trap of representing the majority, even when it hurts the minority and when it violates their rights, which is why we're not in front of Parliament or the National Assembly, but we are here in front of the Supreme Court of Canada because the court is supposed to represent something greater than that.
As the hearings continue, the court will hear from Quebec's Attorney General and some pro-secularism groups defending Bill 21. A decision after the hearings wrap this week isn't likely for several months or more.